I know you're frustrated. I know you've tried everything and you want to grow hair. Why can't you grow hair? And I'm going to make it very easy for you. I got a video. If you click the link below, it takes you to a special page and you can watch a full video and I'll explain to you how to eat and the right plants to use to help grow hair. Folks, it's that simple. Yes, it's that simple. Things are not complicated. If you follow the right steps, you will get the results you want. Most people don't get the results they want because they're following the wrong advice. You out there, there's so much advice out there that it's not even funny. It's ridiculous and it's harming people. All you need is to change your diet. All you need is to eat the right foods. All you need is to use the right herbs on your hair and your hair is going to grow. It's that simple. If you want to try it out, you have nothing to lose. Click the link below, watch the video, and get started. Hair is your birthright. You deserve beautiful hair. Everyone does. And everyone can get beautiful hair because beautiful hair is your birthright. And hair is an indication of your health. The healthier you are, the more beautiful your hair. You can change all that. It's all within your grasp. Click the link below, watch the video, and let's get started.